Hi guys, what it do? It's your boy Exia back with another video. And in today's video, I have a lot of people asking me how to invest, what to invest in, how do you pick it, just overall how do you get to the point where you can start to invest. And these are great questions, and everybody want to know at one point, even I wanted to know. So in today's video, we're just going to go over how can you get to the point to start investing your money, and what could you possibly start to invest in. Pretty much just help you out and show you how to embark on your own investing career journey. Alright guys, what it do? It's your boy Exia, and welcome to the YouTube channel. And I'm pretty much just gonna talk about how can you start to invest? What should you invest in? But the main thing before you even get to that step would be managing your finances. That's part one. In order to invest, you need to have an actual infrastructure on how you manage your actual finances. You just can't wake up and say, hey, yeah, today Wednesday, go start investing. I mean, you can if you choose to, go for it. But if you want to actually do it and hopefully continue to do it where you can actually gain some profit, it's a way to go about doing it. Me personally, manage your finances. You got to get your finances down to a point where you know how much you actually can invest. That's important, because just investing it's not going to lead you nowhere without a plan. You have to know, I'm going to invest X amount, X times a month or X times a year, and it should come out to X amount of money. So over the course of time, I'm looking at this. That sounds a lot more better than, it's Wednesday. I'm going to invest today. And then you don't invest again for like a couple weeks, or you invest, it's best to go into it with a plan. Next thing I will have to say about how to start investing, legitly, how much debt are you in? And the reason I say that is, it most likely would be better for you to destroy some of your actual debt versus actually investing, because that will give you a better return. See, the thing about investing, it's not about, hey, I just want to invest. It's all about, how can I get more bang for my buck? If the interest rate is not like outrageous, let it be. If you can get a better return on investing in a market or investing in real estate, whatever you choose to invest in, versus squashing that said bill. For instance, say you have a car note. The car notes, you got to finance it 3.5%. That car note, what I'm saying, the interest rate on it is not gonna really hurt you where, I'm paying X amount of money, interest is killing me. It's not gonna happen. If you get 3.5% interest, you're doing pretty good. It'd be better for you to actually take the extra money you would use to try to destroy that car note and start to invest it to get a better return. Because on just an average, a lot of stocks just averagely would generate a more better return than you paying off that car. Now, vice versa, now you have a car note and you get it financed, and the interest rate on that is 5, 6, 7, 10%, 12%. Yeah. Screw trying to invest in the stock market, real estate. Your sole purpose in life should be to destroy that loan. That's just too much interest given away. Interest, that amount of months interest is not where it's at. But you wanna know what is where it's at? Hitting the like button and subscribing to my channel. That's where it's at. Like, nobody tell you, if you were to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel, you're doing something right. I don't know what you're doing right, but you're doing something right. You hear me? But that's thoroughly important though. Like, it depends on the actual amount you have and the interest to consider. All right, I should just kill this. For instance, I'm gonna use myself here. I have a snowmobile. My snowmobile interest rate, I think, is 8 or 9. I actually invest in the stock market, and I'm actually going to pull back investing as much as I am. I'm going to still invest, but I'm going to pull back simply to erase my entire snowmobile payment, because that amount of interest, I pay like $77 a month in interest, and it's too much. It really is. So instead of me dumping access money into my portfolio, I'm going to draw back somewhat just so I can eliminate that bill. And just by eliminating the bill, it's going to free up like $200 to $300 for me. And then overall, that'll be better for me just to invest that into my portfolio at that point once I erase it. So even me myself, I have debt that needs to be erased, because it would be better to erase that than to continue thoroughly investing into my portfolio. See, you did it, I'm gonna do it. Better decisions. All right, so other things you can do that can generally just help you to get to the point where you can start investing regularly and just overall get a better handle on your financial situation would be look for better jobs. If you have a job paying you $10, $12, hey, go look for a job that pay you a little more, because they are out there. I mean, anybody who's working at a little job like Dollar General, McDonald's, Amazon, they're hiring $15 an hour. That will be a pay increase for you. That will give you more money, which will in turn help you either to pay off that car faster or invest, whichever situation suits you. But earning more money is another way to help you into doing those two things. For people who get extensive amount of money when income tax comes, instead of blowing that money or using it, take that money and use it to literally destroy some of your debt. Like you should destroy the like button for the video. I'm just gonna throw that out there again for y'all, just in case y'all didn't catch it that first time. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. But there are a lot of things you can do and ways to make extra money to either invest or erase a bill so you can have more so you can keep more of your income. Like I said, you can always get a better job. You can use some of your income tax money that you get at the beginning of the year to try to take off large chunks of your loans and debts, or invest more with that. Another thing you can do would be you can give blood. Giving blood is a good thing. It helps out other people, and you can't get compensated for that. So that's another thing you can also do. You can do Uber Eats. You can do Grubhub. I mean, these things are popping nowadays. It's a lot you can do to make extra money to get to the point where you can either erase the debt or start your investing journey. And if it's something that you really want to do, me personally, I feel like if it's something you really want, you're willing to go that extra mile just to get it done. To me, I mean, me personally. And these are things you can do to help you get to that point. Because if you're overwhelmed with debt, okay, if you're overwhelmed with debt, but you're looking at ways to make more money, if you're already overwhelmed with debt, there's really no way for you to make extra money without getting rid of some of that debt. I mean, that's just logic to me, but I know some people like, oh, I'm drowning in debt, I need to make more money, or I'm drowning in debt, I need to make some extra money. The best way to make extra money is to erase some of those things that are already putting you in debt, whether it be credit cards, whether it be house payments, whether it be food, whether it be miscellaneous things, bills, card notes, whatever it may be. Doubling down on those payments would most definitely help you get to the point where you can start seeing some of your money to start investing. But if you're not at that point yet, there's no shame. It's not a race. Take your time, save up, do it. For me personally, I think, I'm thinking so hard right now. You're thinking real hard. You gotta look up in the corner of your own eyeball. I want to say 2.5. yeah, about 2.5 to 3 years it took me to literally kill majority of my debt, where I can start seeing a lot of my actual money. I can actually keep it and hold on to it. And it takes a while, but once you get there and you're able to actually see your money and hold it, where you just not, the second you get it, bills just don't come up just, you know what I'm saying? It takes a lot, and it's hard to do, it really is. But once you get it down and you do it, you'll see that, oh, okay, this is how people doing it. Okay, I have more money. Okay, now how can I invest my money? How can I start generating extra income? The best way to do it is to start with your actual debt. Kill the debt. That way you can hold more of your money, and then that way you can legitimately decide what you want to invest in, whether it's real estate, whether it's dividends, whether it's the stock market, whatever it is. Start with eliminating your debt. Alright, guys. Like I said, to me, these are things that everybody should try to key in or do. Most definitely. But my name is Exia. This is my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I'm struggling. It'd be greatly appreciated. This is your boy Exia, and I'm out.